it's nothing new, but it's so.
Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome back to my ketogenic channel. Today we are going to prepare a super easy recipe. So let's go to the kitchen because it's a wonderful sunny day here in Stockholm, and after cooking we will definitely go for a nice walk outside. So let's keep watching till the end because this city is amazing and I love it so much, and I hope you will love it too through my videos. So
It's just us two, me and you.
we will start by preparing a delicious raspberries jam, and then we will use it to make a raspberries tiramisu. So we will use 400 grams of raspberries, 2 spoons of erythritol and 2 spoons of chia seeds. That's all.